My video guide will give you detailed instructions to get rid of get365Scores.com pop-up windows that now attack Google Chrome, Firefox and other browsers. The pop-up tries to force you into installing the extension called 365Scores or something like that, and this extension actually works as a browser hijacker because it hijacks your default search engine and some other settings. So if you mistakenly add it to the Google Chrome browser, you may experience a lot of changes related to your default search engine. And as you see, the new tab value was also changed from blank tab, and now you see this get365scores.com. And when you submit some particular search queries, you notice that the results are delivered by Yahoo. They may also be delivered by some other unfamiliar search engine. And if you are not happy with such changes, of course, you need to fix the issue immediately. You need to remove this extension from Google Chrome browser. For this purpose, go to the menu of your browser, More Tools, then Extensions. You'll find this extension called 365Scores, deactivate, and then remove the extension completely. Also, my recommendation is that you scan your Mac additionally with Combo Cleaner, the powerful antivirus for Mac that you may get on the page combocleaner.com. After the application is successfully downloaded, you need to let the program update its antivirus database and then click on Start Combo Scan to initiate the free analysis and examination of your Mac computer. So you'll see the report at the end of scanning. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Initially it is in the trial mode. However, the program performs free scanning of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. The program will show you the exact number of threads, plus you'll be able to know their exact location in your Mac. So how to get rid of these threads manually and for free? As you can clearly see, you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and this will show you the exact location of each specific thread in Finder. You may right-click on it and move the particular item to the trash. So once again, click on this icon, remove the thread manually, and you may also consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of all these threads automatically.